The sun rises, your alarm rings, you wake up, or maybe you did after you hit the snooze button for like the fourth time. Then you get ready, you got work to do, trying to get the task you've been trying to get done for the last few days or few weeks. You feel like today is the day. You even activate your laser focus mode today. The first hour go by and you're feeling good. You're just rolling. You're getting things done. So you decide to reward yourself by checking your phone. For just a second. A second converts to 15 minutes. You get back to your task only to last about 30 more minutes. You find yourself procrastinating. Your mind is wandering and you can't wait to do something else. Something fun. Something less boring. You really wish you could have done more, but you feel like it's not too bad. So you tell yourself that tomorrow is another day. You'll certainly do better. Well, I'm glad you're here so I can make your tomorrow start at the end of this video. Stick around to learn a mind-blowing time management method that will hack your brain into staying focused and getting the most out of your work and study session. So this method, called the Pomodoro Technique, has been developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 80s and has been widely popularized by many apps and websites. The technique uses a timer to break down the task into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, with short breaks in between. Each interval is considered a pomodoro, from Italian word for tomato, which is why some people draw a tomato instead of a check mark after each pomodoro is accomplished. The technique consists of 6 steps. 1. You choose your task. Something you've been putting off for a very long time. Big, medium, or small. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that the task deserves your full and undivided attention. Step 2. Set your timer for 25 minutes. This is the part where you promise yourself, kind of like a small oath saying, I will spend 25 minutes of my time on this task and I will stay focused till the timer rings. You can do it. It's only about 25 minutes. Step 3. Work on your task. Now, the timer has been set to 25 minutes and the countdown has started. It's time for you to completely immerse yourself in your task for the next 25 minutes. Anything else must be postponed until your Pomodoro rings. So make sure to take care of everything that could potentially take your focus away from your task. Step 4. When your timer rings, you draw a tomato or put a check mark on a paper. You can then congratulate yourself for spending an entire 25 minutes on your task. After a certain time, you may even have to force yourself to go on break because of the excitement to get back to your task and getting it done. Step 5. Take a short break. That's the time for your short walk, your breathing or meditation exercise, or maybe to stay hydrated or grab a cup of coffee. You can do anything that is not work related. Step 6. Every 4 Pomodoros. After you completed a set of 4 Pomodoros, meaning every time you get 4 tomatoes or check marks on your piece of paper, it's time for a longer break, between 15 and 30 minutes. 20 minutes is good, but this is entirely up to you. Just listen to your brain and it will tell you when to get back to your task. Your brain will use this time to rest before the next round of Pomodoros. So when you finish your task before the Pomodoro rings, it is advised to take advantage of the opportunity for overlearning, using the remaining time to review or repeat what you've done. Make small improvements to your work. For the creator of this technique, the following rule applies. If a Pomodoro begins, it has to ring. Basically, the goal of this technique is to get to and maintain focus and flow by reducing the impact of internal and external interruptions. For better results, the creator and his proponents encourage a low-tech approach using mechanical timer, paper, and pencil. For them, the physical act of winding down your timer will confirm your dedication to start the task. The ticking will externalize your desire to complete the task, and the ringing will announce your break. Your focus and your flow will be associated with the physical stimuli. Try it and don't hesitate to listen to your brain. Make the changes you need and make this technique yours. Now that you know how to get the most out of your work and study session, go and Pomodoro all your tasks.